Hello dear kids, now we are going to start chapter 6 from your NSO Olympiad workbook. Let's start. Chapter name is Air and Water. In this chapter we are going to cover properties of air and water, uses of air and water, sources of water, importance of air and water and forms of air and water. So let's start. Air is all around us. We cannot see it, but we can feel it. Moving air is called wind. Wind helps us to dry clothes, move sailboats, spread seeds to new places, etc. etc. So, let's check what are the properties of air. Air. First one, air fill up space. Everywhere is air. In empty glass, there is also what is filled? Air is filled. It means this glass is not empty. Air is filled in it. Air is all around us. Even an empty glass is actually filled with air. Number 2 is air gives shape to things like balloon. If we blow a balloon, it gets shape. Number 3, all living things need air to breathe. Okay, so you can feel air. Put your hand or finger near your nose, then inhale air and then exhale here. Then you feel that air is going inside and coming outside. That is air. You can feel that. Air is needed for burning. As you can see, here is a woman in village that is keep fanning air while cooking to keep fire burning in the chulas. It means for burning fire, it need air. Next is air has weight. Look at the pictures in this. In first picture, there's a bowl, but it doesn't filled with air. In second picture, there's a wall. It is filled with air. So the bowl which is not filled with air, it has minimum weight. But the ball which is filled with air, it has maximum weight. So it means air has weight also. Next is different forms of air. What are different forms of air? Air is known as wind, air is known as breeze, and air is known as storm. What are these forms? What we call wind. Moving air is called wind. When air is moving, it is called wind. Breeze. Slow moving wind is called breeze. In the morning, you can feel pleasant breeze. When you go out for a morning walk, then you feel that breeze. Slow moving wind. Storm. Storm is very fast moving wind. Speed of the air is very high. That mostly come with rain, thunder and lightning. That is called storm. This is storm, very fast moving air. So these are the different form of air. Next is water. What is water? All living things need water to survive. You know that we need water to survive because water is a very necessary thing. Pure water is tasteless, odorless and colorless, which we drink. Water exists as ice, water and vapor in the nature. In the nature, we have water in the form of water. We have ice, icelands or ice mountains. We have vapors also in the form of clouds. Rainwater fill rivers, lake and ponds. When rain comes, the water fills the rivers, lakes, ponds, and all this water goes to sea. Water can be stored in dams and wells. Yes, these are natural water collector and these are man-made dams and wells. We should not waste water. This is most important, very much important thing. We should not waste water. You should learn this, that we should not waste water. Next is uses of water. Where we use the water? First is cooking. A woman is cooking and using water to cook food. Next is washing utensils. A woman is washing utensils and it is using water also. For washing clothes, we need water. For bathing, we need water. For drinking, we need water. Putting out fire, that is also done by water. So these are the different use of water in our life. So let's start with questions. Which of the following activity does not need air? Look at first. In this, a kid is using water bubbles and blowing air into the hole, then bubbles are coming out. So for this, they need they need air. In second, a man is flying kite. For flying kite, they need air. Because in the absence of air, kite cannot fly. It fly in the direction of air. Option C, a boy is using a hand fan and this hand fan moves with air in the direction of air. In fourth, there is a boy bathing. For bathing, we does not need air. So D is the process or activity in which we don't need air. Next question is is an underground source of water. C, well, they are underground. Wells are underground source of water and dam, they are not underground. So option C is right answer. Question 3 is the activity performed by boy in the given picture shows that dash. In this picture, boy is doing, this is the activity known as paragliding. In this, there is a air balloon. With the help of air, this balloon move. So, our options are A, air has weight. Yes, air has weight, but from this picture, it doesn't show it has weight. Option B, air is needed to move things. Yes, this picture shows air is needed to move things because with the help of air, this balloon moves. Air occupies space. No, this picture is not showing this thing. All of these no. Option B is the correct answer. Next is which of the following can be done with the help of air? Option A, blowing up a balloon. Yes, we can blow balloon with the help of air. Burning wood. Yes, this is also can be done by, in previous picture we have already discussed, a woman was fanning the wood and then only that was burning wood. Option C, drying wet clothes. Yes, for drying wet clothes we need air. It means all of these is correct answer. Next is what is X in the given picture? This is X. Look at the picture. In this picture there is a fire. On fire there is a utensil where the food is cooking, and from food there is what is coming out? This is called steam. Steam is coming out because in this food there is water drop present and these water drop changing into water steam and they are going out. So A, air, no. B, steam, yes. C, water droplets, and D, breeze. So steam is the right answer. Next is unscramble the following letters group to find out the name of a water source. So option A means unscramble, that is smoke, S-M-O-K-E. Option B is this is hand pump, H-A-N-D-P-U-M-P, hand pump. Option C is this is dust, D-U-S-T, and option D is mug, M-U-G. So in which of the following the name of a water source? Smoke is not a water source, hand pump is the source of water, dust is not source of water, and mug is not source of water. So option B is the right answer. Next is which of these work in the same manner as the given musical instrument does? Mouth organ, electric iron, hair dryer, and bicycle. This is flute. Yes, by flute what we do? We play music. When we blow air inside it, then music will play. Same working is for mouth organ. In mouth organ, we blow air, then it play music. Electric iron, no, this is used for iron clothes, hair dryer for drying hairs, and bicycle is for riding. So option A is the right answer. Next is match the column and select the correct option. Column 1 and column 2. Column A, these are the air, wind, blow up balloon and storm. These are the tasks done by them. Let's check. Option B, will play. Same working is for mouth organ. In mouth organ, we blow air, then it play music. Electric iron, no, this is used for iron clothes, hair dryer for drying hairs, and bicycle is for riding. So option A is the right answer. Next is match the column and select the correct option. Column 1 and column 2. A, air is all around us. Yes, this is the fact. Option B, wind. Wind, what is wind? Wind is a moving air. Blow up balloon. Blow up balloon, air taking place in the balloon. That's why balloon is blowing up. And storm, what is storm? Fast wind is known as storm. It means A4, B1, C is 2 and D is 3. A4, here is A4, here is A4, where is B1? B1, here is B1, here is B3, it means B1, C2, D3. Option B is right answer. Next is Savitri is mopping the floor. Which of the following would help her in better and faster cleaning? A, dry mop and still air. B, wet mop and still air. C, dry mop and moving air. D, wet mop and moving air. Yes, wet mop. If mop is wet, then she can clean the floor, and moving air will help to dry up the floor. So option D is the right answer. Next is which of these words rhyme with the term which means a small pool of water on the ground? A small pool of water on the ground. Bring, cuddle, potion or shiver. Bring, no, cuddle. Cuddle are small pools in which water is filled on the ground. That is known as cuddle. It means bring is, it matches with the statement. Number 3, potion. Potion meaning is ocean. And shiver means a river. So, here is the matching word is, rhyming word is pond and cuddle. C-U-D-D-L-E. Option B is the right answer. Question 11 is which of the following is not a use of water? A is water is used in water park for amusement. Yes, this is right. Water is used for putting out fire. This is also right. Water is needed to dry wet floor. No, water will more wet the floor, not dry. So option C is not use of water. Option D, none of these. No, this is also wrong. So option C is the not use of water. Next question is which of the following activity make the water dirty? Option A, bathing of animals in water body. Yes, it will make water dirty. Throwing waste into water body. Yes, that will also make water dirty. Sailing of boat in water. No, this will not make water dirty. It means both A and B are right answer. Option 1 is ocean. Yes, this is the biggest. And pond, lake, puddle. Puddle is the smallest. Yes. In pond and lake, lake is bigger than pond. It means this is 2 and this is 3 number. So 1, 3, 2, 4 are the arrangement. 1, 3, 2, 4. Here is C. C is the right answer. Next is look at the activity shown in the given picture. Select the correct option regarding it. As you can see, balloon, we blow air, then it will get this shape. And if we will put more and more air, then it will inflate. So select the correct option regarding it. It shows that air gives shape to things. Option A, yes, this is right. It is giving the shape. It shows that air occupies space. Yes, this is also right. Air is occupying the space in this balloon. It shows that air exerts pressure. Yes, this is also showing by this type. If we putting more and more air, then balloon will be inflated. It means air exert pressure also. That's why it is inflated. So all of these are the correct answer. Next is the given figure shows that this is the figure. In this figure you can see that here is a balloon without air and here is the balloon filled up with air. So which one is heavy? This one is heavy because the downward direction in this measure scale, the part which is in downward direction, that is the heavier, and lighter part will be on upward direction. So balloon X is heavier? No. Balloon Y is heavy. Balloon Y is lighter? No. Balloon Y is heavy. Balloon Y is heavier? Yes, this is right. Balloon Y is heavy. None of these? No. C is the right answer. Next is, teacher did an activity as shown below. She took an empty glass. She tilted the glass and slowly pushed it down into a tub of water. So what will happen? She observed bubble coming out of the glass. What does the activity shows? Kids, here is the water filled. Here's a bucket filled with water. We took empty glass and we put it downward direction like this. We put it in downward direction into the water, this glass. Then what we will see? We will see here is bubble is coming out from the water when the glass go down in the water. So what is the activity shows? Empty glass is filled with air. Yes, the bubbles are coming out of air. It means the glass was having air. When we push down into the water, then water is filling in the glass, so air is coming out in the form of bubbles. Option B, water displaced air in the glass. Yes, water was displacing air because here the air was present. When the water is coming inside the glass, then air is coming out. Air present in the glass come out of the water in the form of bubbles. Yes, I already told you, in the form of bubble air come out. So all of these are the correct statements. Question 17 is name of one of the three things which make the air dirty is shown in the crossword. Complete the given crossword to find the name of the other two things, match with them with the picture of their respective sources. In first picture, the boy is coughing. After coughing, when the water drops come out, then also germs come out. So this is the matching with the C, germs. In option B, there is a vehicle. And from silencer, black smoke is coming out. What is this? Smoke. Smoke is S-M-O-K-E. Smoke. And option C, here is mat. She is dusting the mat. So it means here dust is coming out. D-U-S-T. Here is dust. So this is dust and this is smoke. So A is matching with 3, A3, B is smoke matching with 2 and C is dust matching with 1. A3, B2, C1. Where is A3? 3A. Here is 3A, B2, C1. Option A is the right answer. Next is wet cloth hanging on the clothesline will take least time to get dry on that day. If the day is sunny, if the day is cloudy, if the day is misty, and if the day is windy. So which is the day take least time to dry out the clothes? Which day? Look at this picture. First one, sunny day will take least time because on cloudy day there will be some moisture in air, so that cloud cannot be dry soon. In misty day there will also humid air, so cloth cannot dry. In windy day in windy day, but temperature is 12 degrees Celsius only. It means wind is having some water drops also, so that cloth cannot be dry easily. But on sunny day, air is dry because on that temperature there is no water in air, so air is dry. That's why the cloth can dry easily. In next question, select the incorrect match. First is air component, second source, and third is their role. Oxygen source is plant. Yes, this is right. Source of oxygen is plant. We get oxygen from the plants and it needed for burning things. Yes, this is also right. We need air or oxygen to burn the things. Second is germs. Source is sunlight. No, this is wrong. We cannot getting germs from the sunlight. This is wrong. Smoke. Factories and vehicles. Yes, smoke is getting from factories and vehicles. This is right. We already seen in the previous picture there is smoke coming from the silencer. It make the air dirty. Yes, this is absolutely right. Water vapor. River, lake, sea, ocean. Yes, water vapor sources are river, lake, ocean. When the sun is glowing in the sky, then only river water change into water vapors. On cooling, they form tiny droplet of water. Yes, this is absolutely right. These water vapor come again on the land in the form of water droplets. So, correct option is, which is incorrect match, that is option B. Next question is, Shivam mother lit a candle and then covered it with a glass jar. What will they observe after some time? Look, glass jar. She has covered with glass jar, but in glass jar there is air. Okay, so candle will light up for some time because the air is present in it. But when the wood is burning, anything is burning, fire use air, basically oxygen for burning. After some time, the air will finish when all the air or oxygen will burn by this fire. Then this candle will stop burning. So in option A, candle will burn brighter. No. Candle will stop burning. Yes. Candle will start burning with flicker. No. No change will absorb. No. Option B is the right answer. It will stop burning after some time. So kids, here we learn about the chapter air and water. Repeat this video, learn all the concepts and all the options, their questions and their meanings. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe my YouTube channel KVS Coach, and don't forget to press bell icon to get notification for each new video. Thank you. Bye bye.